Chapter 4. Singular and Plural. Look at these pictures. Chair, chairs, tree, trees, watch, watches, bus, buses. The nouns chair and tree stand for only one thing. The nouns chairs and trees stand for more than one thing. Similarly, when we say watch or bus, it means only one watch or one bus. But when we say watches or buses, it means more than one watch or more than one bus. The nouns chair, tree, watch and bus are said to be in the singular number. Singular suggests one. The nouns chairs, trees, watches and buses are said to be in the plural number. Plural suggests more than one. A noun standing for one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular number. A noun standing for more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the plural number. Formation of plurals. Many nouns can be made plural by adding s. Singular, plural. Boy, boys. Book, books. Chair, chairs. Nouns that end in ch, sh, s, o, ss and x form their plural by adding es. Singular, plural. Church, churches. Brush, brushes. Bus, buses. Potato, potatoes. Dress, dresses. Fox, foxes. Exception. Singular, plural. Radio, radios. Piano, pianos. Video, videos. Nouns that end in f and fe are made plural exception by replacing f and fe with ves. Singular, plural. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Exception. Singular, plural. Hoof, whose, hoofs. Dwarf, dwarves, dwarfs. Roof, roofs. Chef, chefs. In nouns that end in a consonant before the final y, the y is replaced with is to make their plural. Singular, plural. Baby, babies. Family, families. Butterfly, butterflies. In nouns that end in a vowel before the final y, only an s is added to make their plural. Singular, plural. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. Some nouns do not follow any rule while forming their plural. Singular, plural. Woman, women. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Man, men. Person, people. Some nouns do not change in their plural forms. For example, sheep, luggage, knowledge, news, furniture, deer, fish, money, aircraft. Sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts joined together. For example, scissors, jeans, shorts, glasses, trousers, pants. Some plural nouns refer to a group of people, animals, or things. For example, clothes, stairs, goods. Note: we can use a pair of to refer to one. For example, I bought a new pair of jeans last week. We use pairs of to refer to more than one. For example, I bought 3 pairs of jeans last week. These nouns take a plural verb. For example, my jeans are very old. My trousers are wet. Keep in mind, plurals can also be formed by changing vowels. Exercise. A. Underline the nouns in the following sentences and write them in proper columns. 1. He forgot the keys of the car in the office. 1. Car, office. Keys. 2. Some children from an African country visited our school today. 3. We should brush our teeth for 3 minutes. 4. many mangoes were growing on the tree. 5. Some Indian cities are very crowded. 6. The fairy was fond of eating mangoes. 7. These houses have 4 stories each. 8. The knives I brought from the market were not sharp. 9. The farmer bought a pair of oxen to plough his fields. 10. The washermen were washing clothes at the well. B. Write the plural of these nouns. 1. Office. 2. Friend. 3. Flower. 4. Giraffe. 5. Glass. 6. Dress. 7. A wish. 8. Dish. 9. Hero. 10. Tomato. 11. Diary. 12. Country. 13. Loaf. 14. Wolf. 15. Goose. 16. Mouse. C. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the incorrect plurals. 1. His foot are dirty. 2. Trees shed their leaf in autumn. 3. My pants are torn. 4. She put the cloth out for drying. 5. Are these tomato fresh? 6. You should brush your tooth twice a day. 7. There were too many persons in the queue. 8. The wolves were howling at night. 9. 5 deer were grazing in the park. 10. I saw a flock of goose flying across the field. 11. The dog guards the sheep in the barn. 12. Cats always chase mouses. 13. The kitchen is dirty. There are flies hovering over the dirt. 14. The oxias helped the farmer plough his field. 15. Most women of the village weave carpets for a living. 16. The babies were playing together. 17. There were more women in the room than mans. 18. There was a lot of newsies in the paper today. 19. The teacher told us to put the furnitures away. 20. There is so much luggages.